2024, 8:25 a.m. Central Time. You know, this morning I woke up and ringing in my ears, there you go with CNBC. We had 8 days, I think it was actually, at Bloomberg. And they were saying, you know, you've had 8 days in a row of the cash S&P up in a row. 9 would be something of a mini record in the market. Haven't done that in a long time. Well, that means to me the market will fight not to do it today. In addition, you had a Monday up. It's called a Tuesday reversal. Does that mean I'd be betting on it? No, the market is strong. But it means probably a pullback is in the cards here. You're getting a bit of a bounce in the energies today. Still no word if Hamas is going to accept a so-called deal that Israel has accepted. I say so-called because, as you know, every time we hear that there's a deal and what's agreed to, both parties, Israel and Hamas, said that's not what they agreed to. So I don't know what's going on there. Bonds and notes getting a bit of a bounce here, where you're seeing real yields fall for a change. In the gold market, we are up $26. Now, this market, I was lucky. In the ETF, it was an easier trade than the futures, and I got my clients, knock on wood, caught that one during the COVID that I had. Silver's catching on fire, and as I pointed out yesterday, the silver chart is now overtaking gold, so silver's getting stronger than gold, and I write why copper's up. China lets a cat out of the bag today, and if you get my full research report, I explain in detail what happened in the month of July as to why this came up. All the parts of the deal are coming together now, and I'm not going to discuss it here this morning. Go to my free research, go to Ira's4.8.com, under free offers, sign up for the research, and you get it there. In the dollar index, down a bit, as most currencies still gaining on it. So what news do we have today? Well, you can't say it's big. You had the Redbook retail sales. It was up 4.8% in the first 2 weeks of this year versus last year. And you're up 4.9% in the week ending August 19th versus a year ago. That's just not enough, and that's about where we've been sitting. We had gotten up as much as a 6% number increases. We have fallen back, and it seems to be stabilizing. The API numbers will come out today at 3:40. Tomorrow you're going to get the FOMC meeting. You know that we saw last night the swan song for President Biden. So long, Joe. And he had his ovation, and he had to love it. Because remember, when he became president, it was COVID. He didn't get that ovation. He got it now. And after 50 years of service, he deserves it. No question. I don't care whether your politics are pro or anti him. 50 years he gave to our country, and he deserves all that. And now the question is, this is Kamala's time. This week will mark the end of that bump. Maybe she'll have a little continuation next week. And then after that, I'm interested in what the polls show, because President Trump will then start coming out of the woodwork again and doing whatever he does. I pray that instead of attacking the people, he attacks policies. That could get him the election if he's smart. When we take a look, as I said, most of the currencies getting a little bit of a bump, and even Bitcoin is finally jumping into the parade here, getting something of a rally. But keep your eye on these markets. They are not acting weak. They are acting strong. It's called a momentum trade, and they just keep going when they get that, as the momentum traders pile in. You know, if you want to know more about this and what I said, for example, about China today, it's really simple. Join me in my morning videos. All right, all you need to do this, go to our website. You can even try them for free, and you sign up for the free offers that we have, or you can go right to the area if you've already had your free offer, and you join in under the word research. But I cover all the futures markets, all the different aspects of it. A new video Monday through Thursday. I even did it when I had COVID, by the way. And on the weekend, we cover the weekly charts for the longer-term trades, and I just put one on yesterday, in fact, in a longer-term trade. So you put those on, you look to see where the market's going, go to Ira's4.8.com, free offers, or under the word research. You can move your cursor to the top here. You'll see an icon. Give it a click. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll catch up with you at the end of the day today. Have a great trading day.